Welcome to this beginner-friendly logic gate simulation. In this video, we'll visually understand how AND, OR, and NOT gates work, step by step. First, I placed an AND gate from the gates pattern. Then I added 2 input terminals and 1 output terminal. After that, I connected them together using wires. As I change the input values, you can see how the output changes. Only when both inputs are high, the output turns high. Potaje to Lacrind one. Now let's move on to the OR gate. I place the OR gate. Then connected 2 inputs and 1 output. Once wired, I toggled the inputs. As you can see, the output is high even if any one input is high. In NOT gate, also known as an inverter. I placed a NOT gate with 1 input and 1 output. When the input is high, the output becomes low and vice versa. It simply flips the signal. This was a simple visual demonstration of basic logic gates in action. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Let's learn electronics the smart way, visually.